Are you in need of reliable and powerful commercial vehicles? Look no further than GY Trading. We offer a wide range of commercial cars including vans, saloons, SUVs, pickups, trucks, and machines, all built to tackle your toughest jobs. Drive your business forward with the reliability and performance you deserve. Purchase the best cars from GY Trading, an award-winning company with over 1,500 satisfied customers. For more info, call their number or contact me directly at +2335423233947.
If your brakes fail while driving, it's a critical situation, but staying calm and knowing how to use the emergency brake effectively can help you regain control. Here's what to do and what to avoid. What to do. 1. Stay calm, avoid panicking, take deep breaths to focus on managing the vehicle safely. 2. Warn other drivers, turn on your hazard lights immediately, honk your horn to alert others if needed. 3. Try pumping the brake pedal. If you have an older car with a non-ABS system, rapidly pump the brake pedal to build pressure. For ABS-equipped cars, hold the pedal down firmly, it might activate a backup system. 4. Use the emergency brake gradually. Slowly and steadily engage the emergency parking brake. Pull or press the brake control incrementally to avoid locking the rear wheels, which can cause skidding. 5. Downshift gears. In a manual transmission car, progressively shift to lower gears to reduce speed. In an automatic car, switch to a lower gear like L or 2 on the gear selector. 6. Look for escape routes. Steer toward a safe area like a shoulder, grass field, or an empty side street. Avoid steep inclines or high traffic areas. 7. Rub against barriers if needed. If no other options are available, use friction by gently steering the car against guardrails, curbs, or other non-dangerous barriers to slow down. 8. Turn off the engine as a last resort. Only turn off the engine once you're at a very low speed or stopped, as doing so may disable power steering and make controlling the car harder. What not to do. 1. Do not panic brake the emergency brake. Avoid pulling or pressing the emergency brake sharply as it can cause the rear wheels to lock up and skid. 2. Do not turn off the engine while moving. Turning off the engine can disable power steering and braking assistance, making the car harder to control. 3. Avoid using reverse gear. Shifting into reverse can severely damage the transmission and won't help slow you down effectively. 4. Do not swivel the steering abruptly. Abrupt movements can destabilize the car, especially at higher speeds. Post-incident steps. Once you've stopped safely, call for roadside assistance. Do not attempt to drive the car further until the brake system is inspected and repaired by a professional. Being prepared with this knowledge and practicing calm, deliberate actions can make all the difference in such emergencies. Thank you for watching Eric Auto Center, Ghana's #1 automotive channel. We continue to guarantee you an annual motor vehicle experience. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.